Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to use pen tool to cut out image in Illustrator. Let's begin. I create a new file, then go to File, Place, and select your image. Example, I use this image. Hold Shift or the fixed size. Create a new layer. Embed and select the pen tool. Hold, select the pen tool. Then select the hold alter hold alter hold alter. Okay, you can use smoothly. Then hold control, select double layer, then go to object tab, clipping mask. That's it. Remove the background. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.